Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and we're going to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. So it is now time to register your Copi File Node NFTs. There has been a recent announcement. Node registration is now live. So we're going to go over these steps and more. I'm going to show you how you can get your nodes registered. Before we get into the steps of registering your node, there's a couple of things you need to remember. You do need to know how to set up a wallet. So if you need help getting started, go to my link tree. The first thing you want to do is make sure that you own some File Node NFTs. This is what it looks like. I've done previous videos on this. If you go to my latest videos, I did a video called Cornucopias, File Node Access Key is here. So check that out. Those have been airdropped for those of you that purchased one in the previous months. So if you want, you can also go to jpeg.store and pick one up on the secondary market. So the floor is around 800 ADA. So pick one up if you haven't done so and make sure that is in your wallet. So if we head over to the Discord, the first step is to log into your player account. So if you've never done that, you're going to go to cornucopias.io or use my link tree. This will take you to the website as well. And of course, from there, you can also pick up your Node NFT. So you're going to create an account similar to what you see here. For me, I'm going to remain logged out so we can log back in. If you need help registering for an account, type in player account on the channel and you will find this video, how to register a Cornucopias player account step by step. So that's a 4-minute tutorial that will get you going as well. All right, so make sure that you create a player account. We've got links down in the description for you. It is cornucopias.io/register. So we're going to go to cornucopias.io and I'm going to log into my account. I believe I also have two-factor authentication set up as well. So you're going to want to put in your two-factor authentication code. And once you do that, you are logged in. Once you're logged in, you're going to see a page like this, and you can now see the manage nodes. But before we do that, we're going to want to add wallets that nodes are held in if required. So for whatever reason, my wallet is not showing. I don't know if that's because they did an update. So click on finish or go to settings and find it that way. Go to add wallet. So for me, I'm going to be using my NAMI, which I have a Trezor connected. That's where my assets are. So here you can see my assets. And what we're going to do is make sure that this is linked. So plus 11 assets, that will be everything else. So are you using a hardware wallet? Yes. On the right side, you can see Trezor 1 Mitch. From here, you can click on link and important read, proceed. And now we're going to sign our transaction. So this is to confirm that we want to proceed. And I'm going to sign this using my hardware wallet. And there we go. Now we have our wallet successfully verified. The next step is to go to navigate to the Manage Nodes tab. And one thing to keep in mind as well is that this will take a little bit of time to sync. So if things are taking a bit of time, it's because everything's got to update. Step number 4 is to wait for data to sync. So all we're going to do is wait a couple of minutes and then we're going to hit refresh. Hopefully we can see our data. All right, so it took about 2 minutes. All I did was hit the refresh and I can now see all of my nodes represented at the bottom here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. So the final step is to register our nodes. So that's exactly what we're going to do. Now when we take a look, we can begin to register our nodes. One thing you want to keep in mind as well is that you're going to need 3,000 Copi per node. And then if you have 15,000 minimum, then you can have, I believe, more than 5 nodes registered. So we're going to begin to register. So we're going to hit register and we're going to do that for all 7. So it looks like it's working pretty swiftly there. So we're just going to register these nodes And it really is that simple. So here we can see already 7 registered nodes. And that is how you register your Copi File nodes. So if you guys have any questions, comment down below, subscribe, ask whatever questions you have regarding the Copi File nodes, and check out the link tree. Guys, save up to 25% off all of these beautiful hardware wallets, and we have quick links for you. So if you want to pick up a node, use these links, and that's all we got for you. We'll see you in the next tutorial.